to thrive in career and achieve long-term success, how do you get that? Is by continuously learning and acquiring some key skills that can help you in terms of your career success. What are the key skills? There are many skills, but then I'm going to just share with you 3 skills that are very crucial for your success. Number 1 is communication skill. If you are able to communicate properly, if you are able to communicate effectively, that will help you to get success in your career. Number 2 is becoming a great problem solver. Because if you are not a great problem solver, be it you are technical, non-technical, you are a people manager or whatever, you should be able to solve problems. That's something very important. If you are able to solve problems, then it will help you. And number 3 is your networking skill. Right? So if you are able to network with people, if you are able to connect with people, because understand this, it's people who are going to help you grow in your career. Right? So you should be able to network with people and then help each other, and if you are able to grow others, they will help you to grow. And I'm going to share with you a bonus skill number 4. Whether you are somebody who is managing people or not, you should have great leadership skills. Right? Self-leadership is also important even before you look at managing people. So leadership skills. If you are able to acquire these skills, you can get long-term success and you can always be successful in your career.